just about looks. The KF104 Max 2 boasts a 4K camera, a 3-axis gimbal, and some really impressive intelligent flight modes. We're talking about a drone that's not just for hobbyists, but also for those looking to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. I'm excited to dive into the details and see what this drone can really do. We'll be testing out the image quality, flight stability, and all those cool features. Make sure you stick around for some sample footage. You won't want to miss it.
Let's talk about what really matters: image quality. The KF104 Max 2 delivers stunning 4K video. That means crisp details and vibrant colors. Trust me, your aerial shots will look absolutely amazing. But there's more to it than just resolution. The drone features a 3-axis gimbal, which keeps your footage buttery smooth. This gimbal is a game changer. It compensates for any bumps or wobbles during flight. Say goodbye to shaky footage. And to top it off, the KF104 Max 2 incorporates electronic image stabilization, EIS. EIS adds another layer of smoothness to your videos. Even in windy conditions, your footage will remain stable and professional looking. Now that's what I call impressive.
Flying the KF104 Max 2 is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen controller. The controller is comfortable to hold and easy to use even for beginners. Plus, the touchscreen interface is super responsive and gives you access to all the drone's features. But here's where things get really interesting. The KF104 Max 2 is equipped with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. This drone can literally see in every direction. It uses sensors to detect and avoid obstacles, making it incredibly safe and easy to fly. You can fly with confidence knowing that the drone will automatically maneuver around any obstacles in its path. This feature is a game changer for both beginners and experienced pilots. It gives you peace of mind and lets you focus on capturing stunning footage.
Section 4. Taking flight, practical uses, and extended flight time. Now let's talk about the practical applications of the KF104 Max 2. With its impressive features, this drone is perfect for a wide range of uses.
Whether you're a professional photographer, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing breathtaking aerial shots, this drone has got you covered.
One of the standout features is its extended flight time. The KF104 Max 2 can stay in the air for up to 35 minutes on a single charge. That's a lot of time to capture the perfect shot or explore your surroundings from above.
And with a remote control distance of up to 6 kilometers, you have the freedom to explore vast areas and capture stunning long-range shots. Imagine capturing the beauty of a sprawling landscape or following a subject from a distance. The possibilities are endless.
What are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity and take your photography to new heights with the KF104 Max 2 drone. You won't be disappointed.